Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by bringing all footage into Imovie so you can work fast and avoid lost files. Import clips from your camera, phone, or cloud into one project. Organize them into events or folders so you can find takes quickly. Once imported, skim and mark good shots with favorites or ranges. This saves time when you assemble the timeline. Make sure to also import any voiceover, music, or graphics now. Having everything ready prevents interruptions and keeps your creative flow moving. Now place your selected clips onto the timeline to craft the story arc: intro, body, and call to action. Trim edges with the precision tool, insert B-roll to hide cuts, and use transitions sparingly for smooth flow. Adjust clip speed when you need emphasis or to fit timing. Once visuals are set, add voiceover and music tracks. Make sure to duck music under speech and normalize levels so dialogue stays clear. These steps make your video feel professional and keep viewers engaged. Finish by exporting with the right settings: 16:9 aspect ratio, 1080p or 4K resolution, and H. 264 or HEVC for a good balance of quality and file size. Once exported, name the file clearly, add metadata, and upload to YouTube. Then place end screens and cards inside YouTube Studio. If something goes wrong, like audio dropouts or weird colors, clear iMovie cache, re-render the project, or check codecs on another device. This usually fixes corruption without re-editing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.